What's going on, guys? My name is Kerry, and today I'm going to show you how I spent over $11,000 on upgrades in a 792 square foot home. If you're in the market for a new manufactured home, deciding on upgrades is one of the most important steps of the entire process. In order of importance, I would say it goes location, floor plan, and then upgrades. The reason it's such an important step is because you have to decide what you want while trying to stay within your budget. And as you're going to see today, it doesn't take much to drive up the price. There are a lot of shiny objects to choose from, and it's really easy to go, I want that, I want that, I want that. And all of a sudden, the price jumps $25,000, and you're sitting there wondering, how did I get here? Every step of a new home purchase needs to be well thought out because you only get one chance to get the house the way you want it while keeping your mortgage payment at an amount you're comfortable paying. I live in a really expensive housing market, so I try to put in some nice options without going over the top so that the house is still affordable. What I'm going to do is a quick tour of the home, just in case you're new here. Then I'll show you every upgrade that ended up costing me $11,816, and hopefully it'll give you some ideas if you're in the market for a new manufactured home. Let's go check it out. All right, we're here, and I'm going to talk about the upgrades that we did on the outside while I'm out here heading up the stairs, because the sooner we get inside where it's warm, the better. So you can see we've got one electrical outlet over there. We added an extra by the front door. Speaking of the front door, we've got the screen on there. That is an upgrade. We've got the window in the top of the door. That's an upgrade. And then if you saw the video about this house, we've got pot lights in the eaves. You can see that at the end of the house. And then we did the overhang on the end and the extended eaves on the side. Let's go inside. We'll check it out. Real quick tour before we get into the upgrades. And as you can see, if you watch the staging video, I went with option 3. That had the most votes. So big thank you to everyone that commented on that video. I think it had 100 comments or something crazy like that. So what we've got is a corner kitchen. We've got the white cabinets. We've got the brown backsplash, stainless steel appliances. And this house is 18 feet wide by 44 feet long. So we'll just pan around. That's the living room kitchen area with windows out to the front yard. And if you head down this way, you've got a coat closet by the front door, right across from bedroom 2. We'll pop in there real quick. Window out to the other side of the home. Closet there. Across from bedroom 2 is a spot for the washer dryer, cabinets above. And then back that way is the main bathroom with a tub shower unit. And then at the end, we've got the main bedroom. We've got a closet back here. View of the mountains and the snow out there. And a half bathroom. So we've got a half bathroom right in here. There's that. Perfect. Let's head back down to the living room and we'll start talking about all the upgrades that went into this house. I'm going to start in the living room and then I'm going to gradually make my way down to the end of the house. So the first thing, right on the end wall, there used to be a window. Where did it go? I moved it to the side wall. Why? Because the view out that side is not nearly as good as the view out this side. You've got the trees, you've got the yard. That's where you're going to be spending a lot of your time. The deck's out there, so that's where it made sense to have the view. You'll notice there's 3 windows in a row. Originally, the plan came with that one there on the end wall. That one was where it is, and then we added the third one. So that's the second upgrade. The first was moving the window. You do have to pay for that. Now, if you look up in the living room, you'll notice the pot lights. Those are an upgrade, as well as the vault, which runs all the way the length of the entire house. That's an upgrade as well. Well, let's move into the kitchen. The kitchen has quite a few upgrades, and I'm doing this on the fly, so if I miss any, I'll just go back. But I'm going to start over here at the dishwasher. So standard in this model of house, it doesn't come with a dishwasher. It does come plumbed and wired for it, but you have to actually upgrade to get the unit itself. Looking up here, these handles are an upgrade. These are the deluxe pulls. And then we've got the soft close hinges on the cabinet doors. And where are we here? Same with on the drawers. So speaking of drawers, we've got the bank of drawers right beside the range, and all appliances in the kitchen have been upgraded to stainless steel. Look up, we've got more pot lights. We've got 2 pot lights in the kitchen that are on a separate switch from the living room. So that is an upgrade. I knew I was missing something. We've got the full tile backsplash right here. That's an upgrade. What else? This is it. This is the last one. The cabinet over the fridge. Normally it would just be a shelf, but we wanted the cabinet because sometimes whatever you're putting above the fridge, you want it behind closed doors. Let's keep moving. Couple things worth mentioning in the entryway. On my left is the front door, and you'll notice we've got the half moon window at the top. I like to put that into almost every house because it lets natural light into the entryway, but when people walk up, they aren't seeing directly into your space. So it gets the light, but still maintains your privacy. And then behind me, the coat closet. So this isn't an upgrade. This comes standard with the house, but in the original plan, it's actually swapped with the washer and dryer, which we'll see in a second. So you would come in, washer and dryer, then the coat closet. And in my mind, that just didn't really make sense. To me, it makes more sense to have the coat closet by the front door. So you do have to pay to make that switch. I was happy to do it because you want the plan to be functional. I skipped by the second bedroom and now I'm in the laundry area. Why? Because that bedroom's good the way it is, so we didn't make any upgrades there. Besides switching the closet and the laundry area, the only change we made here was adding these cabinets and the shelf. And this is a pretty obvious one. You want somewhere to put your stuff that you need to clean and dry your clothes. So you add the cabinets. Let's go into the bathroom. There were only a couple minor changes to the bathroom. So the first one was we upgraded the tub from the standard to the mid-range tub. So you've got a little bit of room to spread out. You're not totally cramped in there, but it's not the huge swimming pool corner tub that you see in some of the videos either. The other change we made is right here, another bank of drawers. And of course, we've got the soft close hinges all the way through the house. Now let's move into the main bedroom. The only upgrade done in the main bedroom was that window right there in the half bathroom. And let me let you in on a little secret about that window. Whew, that puppy was expensive. It was over $700. However, we needed it because that is not a huge space. So it was important that we get some natural light into the bathroom or it was just gonna feel too closed off. Saying that, pushing order on a $700 window that's about yay big, it does sting a little bit. As you can see, it doesn't take very long to spend $11,000 on upgrades. I showed you every upgrade in this home and it adds up really quick. The only thing I didn't show you was the stuff that you can't see. I do have to make some changes to the code to be in this area and the roof for all the snow that we get here, but you can't see it, so how am I gonna show it? That was included in the $11,000 though. All in all, I'm super happy with the way this home turned out. Thank you to everyone that voted on the staging. I went with option 3 because it had the most votes and it looked absolutely dynamite in the real estate photos. So big thank you to you guys. All that's left to do today is get out of here. Let's go. There you have it. That's every upgrade I put into the 792 square foot Cottage Series single wide, and I'm really happy with the way it turned out. I don't think I would change much on that house. I'm curious, what do you think is the most important upgrade you can put into a new manufactured home? Let me know your thoughts on that. That's all I've got for today. If you like manufactured home videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I've got lots more coming. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.